oh man, can't you see? There's a war and truth is losing. It's up to you and me. Truth needs a hero, truth needs a friend. I need someone who can say I am your hero, I am your friend. Mother, don't cry, I know I am. Truth needs a hero, truth needs a friend. I need someone who can say I am your hero, I am your friend. Mother, don't cry, I know I am. I am your hero, I am your friend. Santa needs a hero, Sai needs a friend. Truth needs someone who can say I am your hero, I am your friend. Truth needs a hero, truth needs a friend. Santa needs a hero, Santa needs a friend. Sai needs a hero, Sai needs a friend. Let's all be heroes, let's all be friends. Truth needs a hero, truth needs a friend. Sai needs someone who can say I am your hero, I am your friend. Mother, don't cry, I know I am. Truth needs a hero, truth needs a friend. Sai needs someone who can say I am your
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा बाबगाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिददां कुरु माहि गुंसि पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसाध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐकुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभिलो दिक्षु श्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशागुं एदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीरग्रीवो विलोहितः उदेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो ववा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे निशीर्यशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना ववा विद्यन्दनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुं उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मेदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्तमयक्ष्मय परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निदेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनानेदिजां जपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां पदये नमो नमो बब्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां पदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चैकोशाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुबाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे बहिवञ्जदे स्तायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगावं दद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वावीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्यो विद्यद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्यो जागृद्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्यो दावद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः षण्गहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो धन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो मीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आजवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विव्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च गवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे च वेचायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैजन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो वेग्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे जमयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय जमयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमस्तेज्याय च गुल्याय च नमः वार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय चोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्व्याय च विन्याय च नमः त्रिगद्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंचिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च पन्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां मार्भिर्मारोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कवर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिक् शयद्वीराय नमसा विधीमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानोपदीः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोके दनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो वदिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधीमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयदा च नः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्रतं दत्त सदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टमशिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुंहेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये वृद्धा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीरग्रीवाशिरिगन्धा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु तस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवदो जनान् ये वदाम्बदिलक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि व्रजरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तस्य भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्धाभिदस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदीचे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्णो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितम्भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं वाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्धवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिव विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शुक्लाम्बरधरं गणपतिमन्त्रं
सत्यस्वरूपिणी मां साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
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 आनंददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी कल्ि निवासिनी मां
परमानंददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी मां
परमानंददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी कल्ि निवासिनी मां
परमानंददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी मां
विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी 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 मां
हे त्रिभुवनपालिनी मङ्गलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी 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 मां
परमानन्ददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी 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 मां
सत्यस्वरूपिणी मां साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
सत्यस्वरूपिणी मां साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
आनन्ददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी मां
परमानन्ददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी मां
विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी मां
विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कालिकपालिनी मां
हे त्रिभुवनपालिनी मङ्गलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी मां
हे त्रिभुवनपालिनी मङ्गलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी मां
परमानन्ददायिनी हृदय निवासिनी पति निवासिनी 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 मां सत्यस्वरूपिणी मां साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु
साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा।
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 मुझे भक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा।
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा।
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम।
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा।
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा।
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा।
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा।
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा।
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
My most humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Baba and Om Sai Ram to you all. Welcome to this special edition regional online Sunday morning sadhana program. It is the young adult takeover. Swami says, I want leaders to protect the world. Leaders like lions, self-reliant, courageous, majestic, and just. Lion is the king of the animals, and I want you to be king among men. Summer Showers 1992. Swami further added, 70% of the world's population consists of youth, who are the potential leaders of tomorrow, unless they are properly trained to take up their role in the future. Society, the nation, and the world will not progress in peace. Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 1, Chapter 25, 1985. With this, dear devotees, the young adults of the region have decided to take the lessons and advice given by Swami to his dearest students. What does Swami expect of us? How should we conduct ourselves as Satya Sai young adults? We are going to view 2 videos that will answer our questions, followed by an exciting new initiative by the young adults of our region, and a video to show exactly what have we been up to these past few months. Loving Sai Rams.
Teja Dujjana Samsargam.
First thing what you have to do is run away from the bad company.
కాదు
We will never develop attachment towards
ఈ
good.
విధములుగా ప్రేమతో మీ భవిష్యత్తును మీ జీవితాన్ని ఉత్తమ జీవితంగా ఆదర్శ జీవితంగా తీర్చిదిద్దాలని ఎంతో ప్రేమతో బోధిస్తుంటారు.
స్వామి.
మీరు ఎంతవరకు అభిమానపడుతున్నారు.
Swami is teaching a lot, keeping in you your welfare and the future. How far you developed attachment.
మీ తల్లిదండ్రులు కూడా కోరలేనంత గొప్ప ఆసక్తితో నేను మిమ్మల్ని ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను.
Swami loves you more than your own parents.
మీరంతా అభివృద్ధికి రావాలని కోరుతున్నారు.
Swami expects that you should come up.
ఆదర్శవంతులైన విద్యార్థులుగా రూపొందాలని కోరుతున్నారు.
Swami expects that you should be ideal
ఈ
students.
మాటలు మీకు ఎక్కువ దీంట్లో చేర్చబడి
These words don't reach your head.
దురభిమానాలు ఎక్కువైపోతున్నాయి.
You have misdirect attachment.
ఎవరైనా చెడ్డ చెప్తే తక్షణమే చేరిపోతారు.
If anyone tells bad, immediately it gets into your ear.
కనుక దురభిమానానికి మీరు లొంగిపోతున్నారే కానీ సదభిమానాన్ని మీరు ఏమాత్రం చవి చూడటం లేదు.
You have attachment, wrong attachment, not good attachment.
కనుక ఈ దుష్ట బుద్ధులుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు లాసే కానీ ప్రాఫిట్కి అవకాశం లేదు.
So long there are wicked feelings, there will be certainly loss, never a profit.
కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఫ్రెండ్,
Here, friend.
ఎవరు ఫ్రెండ్గా ఉన్నాడు?
Who is your friend?
ఫ్రెండ్ అనేవాడు ఎవరు లేడు.
There is no friend in this world.
అందరు కూడాను వారి వారి స్వార్థం ఆశ్రయించుకొని వారి వారి స్వార్థం పురస్కరించుకొని వాడు జీవిస్తూ ఉంటున్నాడు.
Each one is selfish and carries on the life out of selfishness.
ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అంటారు.
They say friendship.
మీరు బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. షిప్ అంటే ఏమిటి?
You understand clearly what do you mean by ship?
షిప్ అంటే పడవ, స్టీమర్.
Ship.
ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది?
Where is the ship?
సముద్రంలో ఉంటుంటారు.
It is in ocean.
కాబట్టి ఈ షిప్ ఫ్రెండ్ని షిప్ చేస్తుంది, ముంచి వేస్తుంది సముద్రంలో.
Therefore, this friendship will immerse the ship.
ఈ షిప్ ఫ్రెండ్ని ముంచి వేస్తుంది సముద్రంలో.
This ship friend will immerse in ocean. Therefore, it is ship.
ఏ విధంగా ముంచి వేస్తుంది?
How does it immerse?
వారి అనుకూలములకు నీవు అనుసరిస్తుగా నీవు సరిగా తేలుతుంటావు.
In state of convenience, you will naturally float.
వాడి అభిష్టములకు ఏమైనా నీ విరుద్ధంగా మారితివా?
If you turn against his desires,
ఇంకా ఎన్ని విధములైన హింసించడానికి కొనుక్కుంటాడు.
he will try to hurt you in every possible way.
కనుక నీవు మొట్టమొదట తేజ దుర్జన సంసర్గం.
Therefore, first thing, run away from the bad company.
ఈ మంచివాడు చెడ్డవాడు నిర్ణయించుకోవడానికి సాధ్యం కాదు కనుక అందరితో లిమిట్గా ఉంటుంది.
Since it is not possible to decide good and bad, have limited association.
సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఉందా? సబ్జెక్ట్ మార్చి.
In respect of subject, you just talk.
నీవు ఎంతవరకు ఏదైనా పెళ్లి కావాలి సార్, పెళ్లి ఇంతవరకే చాలు.
If you need a pen, you can just ask for it. Sir,
పెన్ను
pen.
కోసం పోయి
Going for the pen,
క్షణంలో నీవు మాట్లాడవలసిన దాన్ని గంట సేపు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటావు.
you can complete the transaction in a moment, but you spend 1 hour.
ఈ పెన్ను కోసం పోయినటువంటి వాడు మిగతా మ్యాటర్ నీకు ఎందుకు?
You have gone for the pen, why should you discuss other things?
మిగతా మ్యాటర్స్ నీలో ప్రవేశపెట్టడం చేతనే నీ యొక్క మహాభావం పోతుంది.
Because of unnecessary matters discussed, you lose your noble thoughts.
కనుక ఈ ఎంతలో వస్తాడు.
Therefore, you should be to a limited extent.
ఆ విధంగా ఉండినప్పుడే మన యొక్క జీవితము ఆదర్శవంతమైన జీవితంగా ఉంటారు.
When you are like that, our life will be ideal.
ఎవరైనా మన ఎదురుగా ఎక్కువగా మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఈ ఎనర్జీ అంతా వేస్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను, ఎందుకు నీవు అనవసరంగా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు, ఇది స్వామికి ఇష్టం లేదు, ఈ వయసులో నీవు కూడా అధికంగా మాట్లాడటం మంచిది కాదని ఎదుటి ప్రశ్న నా వేటాన్ని వేసి కానీ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ లేకుండా పోతున్నావు. వాడు కూడా చెప్పడం లేదు, వాడు కూడా ఈ మాటలో పోయి చేస్తున్నాడు.
If anyone talks excessively,
Om Shri Sai Ram. I offer my most humble pranams at the lotus feet of beloved Bhagwan. One day in the year 2004 or 2005, Swami called one of my classmates for a personal interview. Now this boy used to get multiple interviews, and in the interview room many things, some things amazing, some things profound, some things miraculous, some things funny, some things casual, everything would take place. This day also, Swami actually began the conversation by talking casually about something, which we take for granted in our everyday lives. Swami asked this boy, this classmate of mine, Swami asked him, "Have you attended a wedding?" The boy said, "Yes, Swami, I have attended a wedding." Then Swami smiled and Swami asked, "Now tell me, in a wedding, who are the first people to eat the food?" This boy thought for a while and then it struck him. Isn't it amazing that in a wedding, the people who are closest to the bride and groom are actually the ones who eat at the end. The first people to eat food are those who don't know the bride and the groom even in the least. They are just acquaintances or barely know them. So they just come quickly wish them and go have the food and leave. So this boy, after thinking for a few moments, he said, Swami, in a wedding, the first people to have food are the ones who are the distant friends and the distant relatives. The furthermost ones are the first ones to eat food. Swami said, after them, who eats food? Swami, after they have finished eating food, then the other friends and relatives, they have food. Swami said, after them? Swami, after them, the close friends and relatives have food. Okay, then after they eat? Now this conversation was turning out to be a very casual and nice one. So this boy said, Swami, actually in the end, the bride and the groom eat. The most important people in the wedding are the ones who eat in the end. Of course, this was as per the tradition of the Bharatiya or Indian weddings that this boy was speaking about. So he said, Swami, after everybody eats, in the end the bride and the groom eat food. Swami said, after them? Swami, after them, everybody has had food, Swami. No, suppose that food has remained. Then, Swami, food has remained, then Swami, all the people, the workers who have helped in arranging for the wedding, who have helped, no, everybody is called and they eat food after the bride and groom. And if food still remains? Swami, if food still remains, Swami, they usually call all the beggars, everybody who is on the road, and Swami, they do Narayan Seva. You know, incidentally, we think this is what Narayan Seva is. We think Narayan Seva is giving food to those who don't have food after having satiated our stomachs. When our bellies are full, you know, we go order food in a hotel and our stomach is full and then some food is remaining. Hey waiter, pack it up. You know, we'll do Narayan Seva. Of course, this is better than wasting the food. But that is not Narayan Seva. During his 50th birthday discourse in 1975, in that week, Swami gave a series of discourses. One of those discourses, Swami said, Narayan Seva is to consider that Swami is coming to you as a beggar. Yeah, that is what Swami said. In fact, the translator refused to translate and Swami tells him, no, you translate it. Swami says, Narayan Seva is when you consider Swami coming to you as a beggar. If Swami comes, what we will do? We will stop eating whatever is there we will offer. We will offer the best, the choicest food. That is Narayan Seva. Not some food wastage stoppage plan. As I said, instead of wasting the food, giving it to somebody who needs is a better option, but that is not Narayan Seva. But we don't understand this. This is what we think it is. This boy also was in a similar mindset possibly. So he said, Swami, food still remains after the workers, everyone has eaten, we do Narayan Seva. But at that point in time, Swami didn't go into the details of Narayan Seva. Swami asked, if after doing that also food remains, what do you do? Swami, what do we do, Swami? I think, Swami, after that the food is just thrown. It's thrown in the dustbin and some crows and dogs, they will come and eat food. Now at this point, Swami said, you know something? When it comes to your love, Swami is like that crow and dog. Swami said, when it comes to your love, Swami is like that crow and dog. We offer our heart, our love to everything and everyone in the universe. And when everybody has let go of us, we turn to God and cry out to God. Oh Swami, where are you? Swami, please come. Sometimes we don't even do that. We just get depressed, frustrated and throw away our lives in the dustbin. And Swami said, like the crow and dog, I come to the dustbin and scavenge and pick up your lives. How wonderful it would be if instead of making God our last resort, if we can make Him our first resort. I was just thinking that, we have this practice of offering Naivedyam to God before we have food. Whenever we cook a feast, we offer that as Naivedyam to God. You know what happens to the food that we offer to God as Naivedyam? It comes back to us as Prasadam. That is what would happen even when Bhagwan was physically at Yajur Mandir. Different people were blessed with the opportunity to send food for Swami. And when they send food in the tiffin carrier to Swami, it's not as if they get back empty tiffin carriers. They get back the food. Swami would have just touched and blessed the food, or maybe partaken one morsel. That's all. Whatever we offer to God comes back to us. Same thing when we offer food to anybody else, what happens? We are left with soiled plates or soiled leaves. That's very symbolic. Whatever we offer to God comes back to us. Actually, it comes back to us multifold. Think of the court scene at Hastinapura. In the Kaurava court, Draupadi, the wife of the Pandavas, is being humiliated there. Her sari is being pulled. She is being stripped in an open court. And there is nobody to save her. She calls out to Krishna. The story goes at that point in time that Krishna thinks, what has Draupadi given me? What has she done for me? And then he remembers that on one occasion when he was cutting sugarcane, he actually snicked his finger and it began to bleed. While all the queens and others who were there in the palace ran to different rooms to get bandages, Draupadi, who was there, immediately tore her sari and tied it as a dressing to Lord Sri Krishna's wound. And Krishna thinks, yes, Draupadi has helped me. Draupadi has given me sari. I must also give her sari. How much sari did Draupadi give? 1 inch, 2 inches maybe. How much sari did Lord Sri Krishna give? A Guinness Book of World Records. He gave kilometers of sari. Because that is how God is. Give this much to God, it comes back 100-fold, 1,000-fold, 1,000,000-fold. That's why Swami would say, take 1 step towards me, I will take 100 towards you. But no, we take our steps towards the world. We offer to the world and don't offer to Swami. And as I said, when we feel our lives are down in the dumps, that time also we don't think of God sometimes. And God comes scavenging and picks up our lives and builds it up. How much more wonderful it would be if we offer to God in the first place. Speaking to a few teachers in the university, Swami had once said, you know why I make my boys, my students do prasadam distribution in the mandir? That's because sometime in their life they'll require my assistance. And then when they call out to me and I think, what is it that they have done for me that I can return? I will remember that they have done prasadam distribution for my sake. And then I will multiply that and give them as per their need. That is the love that our Lord has for us. He gives us grace. He teaches the way to earn that grace and He makes us earn the grace also. We just have to follow Him. We just have to follow Him. Instead of offering our lives to people, to friends, to relatives, to money, to power, to position, to careers, can we not offer it to Swami? Can we not offer it to God? This is the thought I get in my head. Because finally when it matters, it is only Swami who comes to rescue. I was speaking about my classmate who got the interview. Swami did not stop by telling that Swami is like the dog and crow. Swami went on to say, but remember, those who offer themselves to God in their youth, it becomes their right to demand from God whatever they need right throughout their lives. It becomes their right, their hakku, Swami said. If we are able to offer our youth to Bhagwan, Bhagwan gives us the right to demand from Him anytime in life. What an assurance, what a promise it is. And what does it mean by offering our life to Swami? It's not that we have to sacrifice our lives or die for Swami. We have to live for Swami. We have to live for Swami. Live by what He has said. And what is it that He has said? All that He has said is not for His benefit. All that is beneficial for us. It will enhance our lives. It will enrich our lives. It will bring more peace, more serenity, more calm, more fulfillment, more joy, more satisfaction into our lives. How wonderful win-win offer this is. We do what Swami says, because of which we benefit and get peace and joy and satisfaction and contentment. And because of that, Swami becomes happy and he says, it's your right, my dear one. It's your right. Demand from me whatever you need, because you have offered your youth to me. I just felt that this is an idea worth sharing and thinking about. Of course, there might be a few who say, we are not in our youth anymore. This message is coming a bit too late. Well, let me assure you that I'm not in my youth also. Crossed the 35. But still, we can take advantage of this message. How? By sharing it around, by spreading it. That's what I am trying to do through this video. By sharing this concept to the youth. Telling the youth, as parents, as uncles, as aunts, as grandparents, whoever we are, as well-wishers, as adults, let us inspire our youth to go behind God, to seek God. Because ultimately everybody is seeking happiness, and happiness is union with God. That's all. Nowhere else it is going to come from. Let us not misguide our youth to pursue careers, money, wealth. Of course, what is needed for life, yes, they can do. But the ultimate thing to seek from God is God Himself. As Swami would narrate in a Chinna Katha, a king had an exhibition where he offered everybody in the kingdom whatever they wanted. Everybody was happy to come to the exhibition and pick up different things. Only one lady didn't seem to pick anything, and when the king came and told her, you should pick something, she said, I would like to pick, but can you give that to me? The king said, anything that is in this exhibition can be given to you. Then she said, oh king, I want to marry you. I want to marry you. And the king was standing in the exhibition. He had to keep up his word. And by marrying the king, everything that belonged to the king became the woman's. When the Lord gives us the bounty and says, my dear one, speak whatever you want, I pray to Swami that we have the wisdom to say, Swami, we want you, we want you, we want you, and nothing else. With that prayer, I just intensely yearn that our love for God should keep growing every passing moment. Thank you for your patient hearing. Jai Sai Ram.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्रविष्णु तु रामकृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति
Om Sai Ram. I hope you all are enjoying the program thus far. Let us go through the Go Green infographic, 108 Gem Experience, and the announcements for the week. The Go Green infographic for this week is: remember to practice the Sealing on Desires program. Do not waste food. Food is God. Do not waste time. Time is God. Do not waste energy. Energy is God. Do not waste money. Money is God. By decreasing our desires, we will decrease the use of the natural resources of Mother Earth. This is what Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba says. When man tampers with nature recklessly, it reacts adversely and trouble arises. In order to protect nature, man has to practice sealing on desires. Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 26, Chapter 3, The Predicament of Man Today. The 108 Gem Experience is going to be shared by a young adult from the Havenside Sai Center, Sister Denise. I now hand you over to Sister Denise.
Om Sai Ram, dear brothers, sisters, and beautiful Sai blossoms. My name is Denise Reddy, and I am a young adult from Havenside Sai Center. I have chosen the following gem: Om Shri Sai Varadaye Namaha. The meaning of this gem is: who is the giver of boons, blessings? This gem relates to my experience. I have been Swami's follower all my life and have learned that by faith and putting all your trust in Swami, your every desire will be fulfilled. I have always wanted a baby girl, and many years later, after praying wholeheartedly, it eventually came true. But shortly after the baby was born, she was immediately taken away from me as she was very ill. The second day of not having her with me, the doctors advised me that she may have meningitis. I was devastated to hear that she had to undergo many tests for them to make a proper diagnosis. That night, I prayed and I asked Swami to be with my baby girl and cure her. The results were going to come the next day, but to my surprise, the doctor came that very night to tell me that the baby was perfectly fine. My faith in Swami had helped me, and my blessing was brought back to me, which was my baby girl. I now have a healthy baby girl. Jai Sai Ram.
The announcements are as follows. The regional Sunday morning sadhana continue every week beginning at 5:30 a.m. The regional Havan at 7 a.m. This week, the Havan was conducted by Kaivistan Sai Center. Vedam classes are held every Sunday morning from 9:15 a.m. Daily Vedam recitals take place at 5 a.m., 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Devotees are encouraged to do daily Gayatri Mantra chanting. We also continue to encourage devotees to practice the COD program. All the lessons that we have learned during these weeks of COD WhatsApp study circles. Dear devotees, this evening at 6:30 p.m., the National Study Circle is going to be hosted by our region, Chatsworth Region 2. All of you are lovingly welcome to participate. Don't miss our darling Sai Blossoms next week on the 20th of June as they pay tribute to the unsung heroes of our region, our dearest dads. So, this is going to take place next Sunday, the 20th of June. Be sure to catch them. Thank you to all the parents and children that have dropped off all the bottle caps and bread tags that you have been collecting for the past year. To commemorate June 16th, the young adults of our region are collecting pet food and blankets for the Yellowwood Park Montclair Animal Shelter. To get involved, please contact your Center Young Adult Coordinator. We, young adults, will be doing a drop-off on June 16th morning. The Go Green announcements are as follows. We encourage all devotees to continue with the herb and vegetable gardens, the planting of specboom, the can initiative. Please ensure all cans are washed and labels removed. All proceeds for this initiative are going to the Satya Sai School, Chatsworth. The Go Green team have embarked on a Bring and Plant initiative with the aim of making our surroundings more greener. For more information on all of these activities mentioned, please contact your center coordinators and your center president. Dear devotees, there are many opportunities presented to us by our beloved Bhagavan Baba. Let us take these opportunities and serve him. Have a Sai-filled, blessed week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेव नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा शान्ति 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 समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।